Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel with new topic. Our today's topic is great Indian leaders and their achievements. So without wasting time, let's start. There have been several national leaders in our country. They were great freedom fighters and patriots. Their devotion, determination and dedication won us the invaluable gift of freedom. This list of these leaders is endless, yet we are going to learn some of them. Let's start. Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Gujarat. After studying law, he became barrister. He went to South Africa as a lawyer in 1893. He left South Africa in 1914. Gandhiji believed in simple living and high thinking. He asked the people to fight for establishing the truth. His method of struggle was called Satyagraha. Gandhiji practiced non-violence and non-cooperation. Millions of people in every part of India participated in Satyagraha. Many of them were beaten by lathis and sent to jail. Finally, the British has to leave the country. India became independent on 15th August 1947 under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. He gave us message of non-violence or ahimsa. He worked hard for backward people. He wanted to remove untouchability. Some people did not agree with his ideas. One of them shoot him. Mahatma Gandhi was rightly called Father of the Nation. Jawaharlal Nehru. The first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, was born on 14 November 1889 and died on 27th May 1964. He was a famous politician and leader of the Indian independence movement. He was famous as Chacha Nehru in India. His birthday on 14 November is celebrated as the Children's Day or Bal Divas. He was the architect of modern India. He was one of the creators of the non-elegant movement. He was awarded with Bharat Ratna in 1955. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was born on 23rd July 1856 and died on 1 August 1920. He was known as Lokmanya, beloved of the people. He was a strong radical leader of Indian National Congress. Lal, Bal, Pal were the three radical leaders who changed the political stem of national movement. Lokmanya Tilak raised the slogan, "Freedom is my right and I shall have it." After the partition Bengal, Lokmanya Tilak became one of the strongest critics of British rule in India. He founded and edited Kesari, a Marathi newspaper. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1875 in Gujarat. He was a very hard-working person. He played a leading role in Congress struggle of independence. Sardar Patel was the first Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister of India. He is also known as the Iron Man of India. Sardar Patel died on 15th December 1950 Bharat Ratna was conferred on his posthumously in 1991. Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was the radical national leader with socialist ideology. He was born on 23rd January 1897 in Odisha. He respected Gandhiji as the father of nation. He became president of Indian National Congress in 1938 and 1939. He was placed under house arrest by the British authorities. He secretly left his Kolkata home in January 1941. Subhash Chandra Bose raised the Azad Hind Fauj or the Indian National Army to free India from British rule. He gave the popular slogan Jai Hind. He was called Netaji as a mark of respect. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar, popularly known as Baba Saheb, was the principal architect of the Constitution of India. He was a social reformer who struggled very hard against social economical discrimination. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar was born on 14th April 1891 at Mahu, Madhya Pradesh, and died on 6th December 1956. He opposed the idea of untouchability. He was the first Minister of Law and Justice. He was a great scholar and thinker. In 1990, Bharat Ratna was conferred on posthumously. Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu, the Nightingale of India, was born on 13th February 1879 in Hyderabad. She was an Indian independence activist and poetess. At the young age of 13, she composed the poem Lady of the Lake. In 1925, she was elected as the President of Indian National Congress. She was the second woman to become the President of Indian National Congress and the first Indian woman to do so. During the Quiet India movement, she was arrested and was sentenced for 3 years. After India got independent in 1947, she was appointed as the governor of UP. She died on 2nd March 1949. So this was all about Indian national leaders and their achievements. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching this video.